folks, welcome to Plumbing with Tim. Today we are on location in Northwest Palm Bay, Florida. Got the call to come out. The customer had no water because the city shut it off. Got my helper over here right now. There's a break on his side. Everything's full of water, so we're going to dig that out and I'm going to show you how to repair a leak at a water meter. All right, so we've dug up this meter box and there's 2 meters that are sitting inside of here. Let me see what we found here. Check it out. The water's all filled up in the box. This is a double meter box here. All right, so let's see. Go ahead and turn that water and let's see where it's leaking. Right there. Out of that fitting. Go ahead and cut it off. All right, so it looks like the male adapter going into the meter is cracked or broke. We're gonna have to extract that. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make that repair. This is 3/4 inch PVC pipe. I'm back here about, I don't know, 6 inches away from where that break is. And I'm gonna cut this pipe clean, get it cleared out, and then we can extract the male adapter right there. There we go. Get that out of there. I'm gonna make one more small, tiny cut right behind it so we can screw that other piece out. Just this water line, I did shut off the valve at the house. We don't get all that water back on. There, now we can unscrew that. Still that direction. So we'll let that continue its doing, and we're gonna back that piece right there off. Right there, the meter. So, and what that means, check it out. See up in there? I don't know if you can see it or not. It's broke off inside of there. We got to find a way to extract that from there. Shoot. The male thread is broke. It's down there, stuck. Can you see it? Stuck inside of the meter. Now I got to get that thing out. I don't want to use a saw. End up ruining the threads and stuff. So let's figure out something else. Look at that. There she comes. All in one piece. No ruining threads today. Did you see that? Yeah, I might hear some bitching in the comments down below. Oh, you're going to blow out a diaphragm in the check valve and all blah, 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 blah. I heated that plastic up just enough so it could soften. I could put a 3/4 inch wire brush in there and back the sucker out without putting a saw in. There you go. There's a lesson for the day. Now let's put it all back together. All right, so we have to prime up our fittings and stuff. Remember I said this is 3/4 inch PVC. Look at this. This is a telescopic coupling. See that? Yeah, I'm going to show you how that's done here in just a second. We're going to prep into that first. We're going to prep the other side just like that. Now what we got to do is we're going to take this male adapter and we need to, now some people say just put pipe dope or threading. All you guys watch my videos, I do both. Extra is always safe. That's why I don't have leaks. All right, so we got our male adapter all ready to go with pipe dope and Teflon. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put this in. We already cleaned that out, got rid of all the mess that's in there. Nice and easy. Plastic on metal. You don't want to cross thread nothing here. Nice and easy. Get it hand tight. Sub-channel locks or whatever works for you. And start getting that thing tight and get it back there into place. I'm going to show you how we're going to make this repair with one fitting besides what I'm using right now. Alright, I'll catch up to you once we get this completely on there. Alright, so now, like I told you, we're all set. Got the male adapter and all that stuff in here. I want to take a little bit of primer, prime these fittings up real quick. Got groundwater that's coming in, so we want to be kind of quick about this. This is a 3/4 inch telescopic PVC fitting. This is how I'm going to make that repair with one fitting. See that? I'm going to glue this end in first to the area that's up by the house. It's going to the house. Get our glue on there, nice and generously. This on this side, keep this in the closed position and make that glue repair first. Hold it in there so it doesn't pull itself out. Give it about 5 to 10 seconds so it doesn't push itself out. You guys see that? All right. I got to let this thing set up for at least a minute so when I pull the other end to push it into the male adapter, it doesn't come sliding out this end. Repair, as you can see, there's the line going to the house, and there's the other end that's going into the male adapter at the meter. And we're going to allow for 30 minutes for this glue to dry because we live in Florida and the humidity is high. So I'll catch up to you when we get ready to turn the water back on. Out here in the northwest Palm Bay area in central Florida, they're pretty notorious about putting 2 meters in the boxes these days, and they're the digital meters. And most of the time, the reason why these male adapters get broke is because somebody's got a lawnmower and they ride over the box and it goes down and cracks it and breaks it. Well, in this case, there was nothing to break it on there. It just under stress, it gave out and it flooded out their little deal, and the city came by and shut it off. But we made the repair in just a little bit. We'll turn the water back on, make sure we got no leaks, and that's how you repair a leak at a water meter. All right, 30 minutes, letting that thing dry. Let's see what happens. Let's put the water back onto the house. See if I can do this. All right, go ahead and turn the valve off to the house nice and slow up there so we can get this under pressure. Check for leaks. Is it off? All right, we're completely under pressure. We're gonna let that sit for about another 5 minutes to make sure nothing's gonna pop apart, and then we're gonna cover this hole back up. That's all the time we got for this one. Glad you guys were able to hang out and watch me show you how I repair a water meter break on the customer side, because if your line gets broke on your side of the meter, the city has the right to come out and shut your water off, but they're not responsible for making the repair. Now, this ain't the fix-all, end-all for all water meters. Some of you guys out there might have copper coming from the meter, might have 1-inch PVC or PEX or something like that, but this is how I made my repair today. So if you ever run across something like that, always make sure, if you're a plumber or you're a homeowner, pick up some of those telescopic couplings. They're a little more expensive, but they're more of a straight inline shot on making these repairs. It's much more simple, and it's much more durable, and it's going to last and work out for you. Thanks so much for hanging out this time. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Until next time, it's been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.